Dear participant, congratulations for being a part of this master's degree program in English Pedagogy for Teaching English as a Foreign Language offered by UTPO. The present second term course is Applying Linguistics and Cross-Cultural Awareness. The course is worth 3 credits that correspond to 144 hours of studies. This course represents a very important tool in mastering your knowledge in aspects related to the field of applying linguistics and cross-cultural communication. Competencies of the course. Learning of the present course applies linguistic competencies that help understand the role of language in real context and applies pedagogical knowledge to efficient professional performance in the teaching of English foreign language or English as a second language. The goal of the present subject is as follows: help achieve expertise in the areas of applied linguistics related to interpretation of language, achieve expertise in the field of cross-cultural communication theories with the emphasis on communication in international contexts, broaden knowledge about aspects related to the study of pragmatics and communication, and help achieve cross-cultural communication competence. During this course, you will learn main aspects, fields and subfields of applied linguistics, concept of language in general, why it is considered a system, the use of language in society, a brief overview of discourse analysis discipline and the ways how to interpret language in different contexts of communication, notion of culture, its dimensions and parameters, cross-cultural communication and a cross-cultural competence, theories of cross-cultural communication, verbal and non-verbal cross-cultural communication differences, and linguistic identity and how it is reflected in intergroup communication. You will also learn importance of teaching cross-cultural competence to English foreign language students. The present course consists of 6 units and includes the following contents. Unit 1, the field of applied linguistics. In this unit, we are going to get acquainted with the field of applied linguistics, analyze its applications, understand why this discipline is known as a language-related problem-solving approach, and you will also learn the concept of language as a system. Second unit deals with language in interaction, pragmatics and discourse analysis. In this unit, we are going to analyze the topics related to language use, the field of pragmatics, and the role of context in interpretation of meaning. You will also get familiarized with the notion of discourse, the conversational elements known as turn-taking, and understand key concepts and the basics of some theories used to describe language in interaction. The concept of communicative competence will be also explained. Unit 3 addresses the topics related to language diversity and contact. You will learn the types of language varieties such as standard, non-standard languages, dialect and accent, slang, jargon, argot, and understand the differences between Pidgin and Creole languages. Unit 4 contains topics related to cross-cultural communication. The definitions of culture, its dimensions and parameters are provided in this unit. You will also learn how communication and culture are intertwined. Unit 5 deals with cross-cultural verbal and non-verbal communication. You will be explained terms such as paralanguage and paralinguistics and the main ideas of communication theory known as linguistic relativism and Sapir-Whorf hypothesis. The last unit, number 6, is related to cross-cultural relations and communication, culture and English foreign language teaching. In this unit, you will analyze factors relevant for cross-cultural communication such as cognition, stereotyping, affect, prejudice, ethnocentrism, empathy, and cognitive biases. The present course will be taught based on pedagogical and UTPL educational student-centered model. The design of activities and the selection of the study techniques is carried out according to the learning results and competencies to be achieved to guarantee training oriented towards the development of the student's professional profile. The educational process is based on the development of 3 main groups of activities. First group, teaching activities. These activities require tutors, direct assistance, and guidance. This can be asynchronous, forum and synchronous, video conference. Second group is composed by practice and experimental activities. All those assignments and tasks that students have to complete and submit to the platform for grading. And now some words about how this course will be assessed. The whole course achievement is scored over 10 points or 100%, which are distributed in the following way. Teaching activities with a total value of 35% consist of online asynchronous activity forum with a score of 2 points and online synchronous video conference with a score of 1.5 points. Practice and experimental activities, all those tasks and assignments that have to be submitted to the platform will be scored over 3 points that correspond to 30% of the total score. The group of self-study activities with a value of 35% will be scored as follows: Online Questionnaire 1, 0.5 points, Online Questionnaire 2, 0.5 points, On-site test, 2.5 points. Dear student, I hope that this course will help you become more efficient pedagogue and you will find it enriching and useful for your professional growth and preparation. I wish you much success, patience, and much inspiration. Good luck. Thank you very much.